everyone. Question: have you ever wondered what goes through a dog's mind when they see a robot vacuum for the first time? Let me tell you, my son recently purchased one of those vacuums for his home, and his dog is still trying to figure it out. It is hilarious to watch him hide from it as he goes around the house picking up their guys. You're gonna. Watch the video. I can't help but wonder if what actually he's thinking. It's probably a UFO or some kind of alien creature invading his home. It is so cute to see him trying to make sense of it at all. You watch the video and you figure it out. But in all seriousness, guys, it is fascinating to think about how animals perceive technology. To us, a robot vacuum is just another household appliance, right? But to a dog, it must seem like something out of a science movie, sci-fi movie, I don't know. As we continue to develop more advanced technology, it is important to consider how it might affect our pets. We may not be able to fully understand their perspective, but we can certainly try to make their transition into this new world as smooth as possible. So the next time you see your furry friend reacting to a piece of technology, take a moment to appreciate their unique perspective, guys. It's so amazing. Who knows? Maybe they're onto something we haven't even considered yet. What do you think? Give us your thoughts. It's something just to kind of chat about it, and it's so cute. I'm pretty sure you have witnessed that for your dog, or in any shape and form. What I'm trying to tell you guys, it is so cute. I was just watching his dog going. He was going like, he was so weird. It was weird, funny, cute. I love Winston. All right, guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. You give some comments to see what you think about it. What is your take on this? We love you. Don't forget to spread love, 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 and kindness. Talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.
Alexa, turn Gilbert on.